Dad did some shopping Black Friday. This is my new mixer. I've wanted a mixer for so long. It is like the ultimate status of kitchen cooking appliance. They can do everything when you buy all the attachments. I'm so excited for my new KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer. We're going to unbox it and do a quick review, and then maybe we'll make something. I don't know. Let's open this puppy up, see what we got. We got a box. That right there. That's my Artisan Stand Mixer. And I forget what the actual color of this one is. It's like Willow Blue. I think that's what it's called. Let me look that up real quick. It's my KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer, 5-quart in Blue Willow. I picked this up from Kohl's on Black Friday. They were $279.99 with $75 in cash back, and we got an extra $20 in Kohl's rewards from just buying this thing. So I don't know, that's what, $205, $185 or something like that. It was a pretty good deal for me. So I'm excited to see what this thing has. I've never owned one. I've only ever had the crap little hand mixers. I've seen them. Okay. We get some sort of handy dandy list of attachments, accessories, bowls, and all the other crap you need to buy to be able to do everything you want to do. The pasta maker is on my list. I have a hand crank one. Hate it. I mean, I make pasta with it, but it's a pain in the butt. And then I need a meat grinder. That's the other thing I wanted to get with this. So, they have actual one specifically for ravioli. Interesting. Put that to the side. Hand wash only. Washing will cause wire whip to discolor after washing. So I guess you hand wash everything. That looks to be a shield. We got a manual. We got a mixer. We have, which looks to be some sort of beater. I think that's just the beater. This is the dough hook. I know that. Product registration. I'm actually going to do it. They've got a great warranty. I'm going to take advantage of it. The manual. I'll read this one. I'm actually interested in knowing everything exactly how to do this. Here. I went with Blue Willow. I know red is the classic color, and there's so many different colors. I almost wanted lime green, but the wife said it was puke green, so she vetoed it. So the next coolest one to me was this blue one, and I think it looks pretty boss. So there are attachments. Let's say that this probably goes like that for a splash guard in case you're doing stuff. Let's see. What is that one? This is the tilt on and up and down. There we go. And then you've got your wire beater. I need this. This is the main reason we bought this. My hand mixer was not up to task to making the meringue for the Japanese fluffy pancakes. I tried to double the recipe. It was a fail. Single recipe, I was able to kind of get a good meringue and they came out pretty good. But double, no matter what I did, I could not get fluffy meringue and the pancakes were terrible. So now that I have this sucker and this sucker, I can make some meringue. So that's it. You basically There's your tilt. I'm gonna guess that this is a screw. Yep, that's for when you're doing your attachments. You've got your, flip this around. Got your speed dial right here. This is gonna get you what you need. Plug, bowl, and then I'll flip it back around. This dial here is what you lock and unlock. So right now that'd be locked. That's unlocked and you can tilt. There's two different kinds of these. There's the tilt head and the bowl lift. The bowl lift are supposed to have a little bit stronger motor on them and able to do a little bit bigger batches and more industrial stuff because they don't have to deal with the tilting mechanism and everything, and it weakens the mechanism, and so they put a little bit smaller motor in. This is gonna be plenty for my little family, so I didn't stress about not getting one with the bowl lift. I actually like the tilt. It seems like it'd be a lot easier to add ingredients and things like that in here. So I'm really excited for this one. My Darth Vader Christmas sweater on. I am in the spirit. I'm excited. So if we wanted to lift this up, and then I'm gonna guess that's a twist. Yes. You get a nice stainless steel bowl. It's a very good size. I think they say this is a 5-quart, but you can really only like mix and do things of like 3 or 4 quarts. So this snaps back in like that, nice and tight. That'll come down. Let's see how you attach one of these heads on here. Looks like there is a notch and then a twist down. And I guess that would be locked in. There you go. Boom. So here's some thoughts on this thing. It is beefy. This thing weighs a lot. You are not going to be moving this around, picking this up. I don't think this one's going to live in our pantry. I don't want to be picking this up and putting it back and picking it up and putting it back. So I'm going to try and find some counter space for this sucker where it can just kind of stay out. So we'll grab some close-ups and some extra shots and some B-roll of so you can see kind of exactly how this thing works and how it looks. I'm thinking that's a sticker. Yes, there is a protective sticker over all of this print. There we go, remove that. So we'll get all that B-roll and take a look and really get you some good looks at everything here, but these things are legendary. I don't expect to have any problems with it. So there's a little notch on the flat part on the top of the attachments, and that lines up with the little piece sticking out from the shaft. You pop on, turn, and pull down how it locks it. And then you just reverse that to pull it off. I'll give you a better look here when we attach the flat beater. So you can see that notch. You see that? You line those up, push past it, and twist, and then pull down, and then it's locked. And now you're ready to go. It's pretty simple. I like it. So that's the review. The first thing I'll probably make in this, pizza dough. I normally make my pizza dough and knead it by hand, and good God, that is just a pain in the butt. This dough hook should whip out pizza dough like nobody's business. That's gonna be the first thing, so watch out for that video. Speaking of watching out for videos, you might as well just subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that's gonna let you know every time I release a video. Did you do any Black Friday shopping? Did you get something cool? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you're going to have a wonderful holiday with your family. I know I am. I know we're going to make some awesome stuff. There's some cookies in tow. There's breads and all sorts of fun stuff is going to come out of this thing. When it comes to gadgets, Black Friday shopping, cooking gadgets, and just cooking in general, Dad got this. For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.